Hey everybody, great news. Listings are on the rise. Typically September it starts to slow. CNBC reported that mortgage applications were up 7.5% last week, which is awesome news for us as we head into the latter part of the year, and the economists are expecting this to go all the way through. Rates are staying low, listings are coming on, so housing affordability is at a very good level right now. But I do want to talk about September. The month of September is Realtor Safety Awareness Month. As we're having our open houses, be very careful out there. We don't want to get numb to the fact that we're meeting the public again. We still have to be aware of our surroundings. Keep your head out of your phone during your showings. Make sure you only have one egress, the front door. Keep the garage door closed. Don't let the back door be an egress for people coming and going. Don't ever lead into a room. These are things that you certainly know. We're going to share our tips from NAR right here. Check out the link, but just some awareness. Keep it top of mind. Sometimes when we get busy again, we tend to forget, but safety is very important. And also have a safety protocol. Let everybody know in the office or friends, family, loved ones where you're going to be. Have your phone fully charged as well. So there's a couple tips right there. Check it out on the link we'll send. Everybody have a great one. Thanks.